Let's do addition and subtraction on fingers. In order to add on fingers, show the number first, to which we have to add another number. Then we take the number on fingers, which have to be added. Let's add 20 plus 10 plus 10. Show number 20 by taking index and middle finger on your left hand. In order to add 10, take the next finger, that is, your ring finger on your left hand. In order to add another 10, take one more finger. Now read the value on fingers as taught in orbit 2. Your answer is 40. Let's add 30 plus 10 plus 50. Show number 30 on your left hand by taking 3 fingers. To add 10, take one more finger, that is, little finger on your left hand. As we know the value of thumb is 50, so to add 50, take thumb of your left hand. Read the numbers on your fingers. Your answer is 90. Let's do subtraction on fingers. To show subtraction on fingers, we put the fingers down. Let's subtract 40 minus 10 minus 10. Show 40 on your left hand by taking 4 fingers. In order to subtract 10, put one finger down of your left hand. In order to subtract another 10, put one more finger down. Read the value. Your answer is 20. Let's subtract 40 minus 20 minus 10. Show 40 on your left hand by taking 4 fingers. To subtract 20, put 2 fingers down on your left hand. In order to subtract 10, put one more finger down of your left hand. Read the value. Your answer is 10. Let's do addition and subtraction together on fingers. To add numbers on fingers, we raise the fingers. And in order to subtract, we put them down. Let's solve the following. 50 plus 40 minus 30. Show number 50 on fingers by taking thumb of your left hand. To add 40, take 4 fingers of your left hand. In order to subtract 30, put 3 fingers down out of 4 on your left hand and read the value of 1 thumb and 1 finger of your left hand. Your answer is 60.